Class 10th, subject maths, exercise 2.2, finding rule of quadratic equation or polynomial. If given that sum of zeros and product of zeros. An example, exercise 2.2, question 2, part first, given that sum of zeros 1 upon 4 and product of zeros minus 1. Using formula method, quadratic equation as x square minus under bracket sum of zeros plus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. This formula write an other type of system x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where alpha beta are the zeros of polynomial. Example first, given that sum of zeros of quadratic equation is equal to 1 upon 4 and product of zeros is 1 upon minus 1. So this value, putting the formula x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So quadratic equation is therefore quadratic equation is x square minus 1 upon 4 into x plus minus 1. Is equal to x square minus 1 upon 4x minus 1. This is the quadratic equation. Formed by and quadratic equation sum of zeros and product of zeros. This equation other type write in other type of system, all terms multiply by 4, then x is equal to 4x square is equal to, then 4x square is equal to minus x minus 4. both equation as the quadratic equation. In exercise 2.2, given that an other question, all question solved in a exercise book, सभी छात्र एक्सरसाइज 2.2 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के और जो क्वेश्चन हैं उसे अपनी कॉपी पर इसी सिस्टम से सॉल्व करेंगे। यह क्वेश्चन एक अदर सिस्टम से भी सॉल्व हो सकता है, लेकिन वह हार्ड सिस्टम है, यह इजी सिस्टम है। अतः इस इजी सिस्टम के माध्यम से अपने क्वेश्चन को सभी लोग सॉल्व करें। फाइंडिंग रूल ऑफ क्यूबिक इक्वेशन। क्यूबिक इक्वेशन or polynomials if given that sum of zeros and sum of the product of zeros sum of the product of zeros of zeros taken two at a time at a time and product of zeros of zeros. This question, given that optional exercise 2.4 question 2, if given that sum of zeros, sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time and the product of zeros, then find the cubic equation. In this case, type of quadratic equation using a formula x cube minus sum of zeros plus sum of the product of zeros taken to a time into x square minus sum of the zeros plus sum of the product of zero taken to at a time into x minus product of zeros. This system right and other type x cube minus sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta into gamma, where alpha beta gamma are the zeros of cubic equation. In this system, by find the cubic equation, if given that upper values, sum of the zeros, sum of the product of zero taken two at a time, and the product of zeros. Optional question 2.4, question 2, given sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 1. Sum of the product of zero taken two at a time alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 3, and alpha beta gamma is equal to min 2 is equal to 2. So the equation, cubic equation is, so cubic equation is x cube minus 1 x square plus minus 3 into x plus minus product of 0 2. Like that x cube plus x square minus 3x minus 2 is the cubic equation. The end exercise 2.2.